Unihertz has published a 34-second teaser video for the Titan II Elite, following the initial disclosure of a single promotional image on the company's official website. The announcement has sparked significant interest within the niche mobile enthusiast community, particularly regarding its timing shortly after the Clicks Communicator was revealed at CES 2026, a device positioned as a direct rival in the physical keyboard smartphone market. The recently published teaser offers a brief hands-on presentation of the Titan II Elite. The video begins with the device being activated, showing the Titan II Elite logo followed by the Android operating system startup screen. The presentation continues with the footage highlighting the typing experience on the physical keyboard. The teaser presents the device's design and keyboard operation in a compact visual format. The Titan II Elite enters a competitive environment within the physical keyboard smartphone category. The device will face direct competition from the Clicks Communicator, which was announced at CES 2026. Both devices target the same market segment, though neither has been officially released to consumers at this point. The rivalry between these two devices is anticipated to grow as both companies advance toward their respective launch dates. The demonstration units for the Clicks Communicator displayed at CES 2026 were non-operational models designed exclusively to provide attendees with a physical hands-on experience of the device form factor. By contrast, Unihertz has announced intentions to exhibit fully operational Titan II Elite units at the Mobile World Congress exhibition scheduled for March 2026, where attendees will be able to experience the device's complete operational features. According to the official statement published on Unihertz's channel, Titan II Elite has been in development for over 6 months and is currently in the internal testing phase. As planned, we will showcase fully functional Titan II Elite at the MWC exhibition, and everyone is welcome to visit us on-site for a hands-on experience. The Titan II Elite teaser video provides an early look into the device's design and keyboard operation. While the footage appears encouraging, thorough evaluation of the device's capabilities and competitive standing will depend on the official launch and hands-on testing of production units. The fully operational demonstration at MWC 2026 will provide the first opportunity for industry observers and potential customers to assess the device's real-world performance and determine how it measures up against competing products in the physical keyboard smartphone category.